This is another ceiling fan by Hampton. This is the Mena ceiling fan. It's 54 inches. Is matte white finish for indoor, covered outdoor. So this is the way it looks. Mena Hampton ceiling fan. And this one is adjustable white light. And choose a color temperature. No bulbs required. This is the Mena. And remote control is also included with it. As you can see, all the details are in the back. 6 inches down that I've included. As you can see, all the details are in here. There's the shutter resistant plastic shade. There's also the installation of the blades. Click and lock blades attached with no screws needed, so it doesn't need any screws. And also the base of it that goes to the ceiling. Slide on mounting. It has a slide on mounting bracket. So this one is for easier installation. So the down rod is actually 6 inches, so third quarter in diameter, 50 inches in lead wire. Yeah. This is the way it gets installed. Side-on brackets. The side-on bracket provides actually an easy installation, so easy to assembly, easy assembly mounting. As you can see here, click and lock blades attached with no screws, so we don't need any screws here. Magnetic light kit installs in seconds. Doesn't take too long either to install the light kit. So it's a straightforward installation. The average time for installation is saved with 2 or more features. The slide on a bracket, red bracket, and twist and lock plastic shade. Plastic shade is good in case there is a shatter or something, so the plastic shade is more safe. Traditional ceiling fans are categorized as not having an advanced installation method, so this kind of ceiling fan is more advanced in installation, so it's more easier than the traditional fans. The product finish and fan shown here for illustration purpose only. And so this one is for the Mena Hampton based ceiling fan. So it says here for the a small room less than 48 inches, larger room 48 inches to 56 inches, or a greater room is for 56 inches. So this is the Mena 54 inches wider Mena ceiling fan. This one has the matte white finish. So as you can see, it's a white color. There's another one by Hampton. So this is the Mena.